welcome back to Hey Plus videoing. So here's the birdie, and yeah, the birdie is this morning the birdie just hit on our glass on the balcony. So and he's dizzy.
Yeah.
But yeah, we helped him. We try our best to help him now. He seems really like to fly.
Is that able to fly now right now?
Yeah, I think so.
Let me take a look on chassis. Okay, put it on side. Okay, put it on side. Okay. Okay, so put it on ground. So try to open it up. Try to open it up. And see it. Watch out. Okay. Okay, let's see. So are you able to fly? Oh, okay, there you go. So he is able to fly right now. Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
He's good. Okay. So okay, back to school now. Go.